Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. If you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Hey there, are you feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life? Do you ever look around and think, how did I end up with so much stuff? Well, you're not alone. The good news is, there's a way to cut through the clutter and find some peace. It's called minimalism, and it's all about embracing simplicity and focusing on what truly matters. So grab a cup of coffee, tea, or whatever you fancy, and let's dive into how minimalism can bring clarity and joy to your life. What is minimalism? First things first, what exactly is minimalism? Contrary to popular belief, minimalism isn't about living in a stark, empty room with barely any possessions. It's about intentionally focusing on the things that add value to your life and letting go of everything that doesn't. It's about creating space, both physical and mental, for clarity, purpose, and joy. Imagine a drawer. We all have that one drawer filled with random items, old receipts, pens that don't work, chargers for devices we no longer own, expired coupons, and a hammer. Minimalism encourages us to ask, do I really need this? Does this bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. The benefits of minimalism. Now, let's talk about why you might want to embrace minimalism. There are some amazing benefits that come with this lifestyle. 1. Saves you money. When you stop buying things you don't need, you save a ton of money. You also don't buy things because you can't find them. This means more funds for experiences, savings, or paying off debt. Instead of mindlessly shopping for the latest gadgets or fashion trends, you can invest in things that truly matter to you. 2. Gives you time. Less stuff means less cleaning, less organizing, and less stress. Think about how much time you spend looking for things, cleaning, or rearranging. Minimalism frees up time so you can do what you love, whether that's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or just relaxing. 3. Brings mental clarity. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. When your environment is clear and organized, your mind feels clearer too. It's like a breath of fresh air, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. A cluttered mind can also lead to a cluttered environment. We'll talk about the science behind this in a later video. Getting started with moderate minimalism. Ready to get started on your minimalist journey? Here are some simple steps to help you embrace moderate minimalism without feeling overwhelmed. 1. Start small. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Begin with one drawer, one closet, or even just your purse or backpack. Small steps lead to big changes over time. Set a timer for a small amount of time, 10 to 15 minutes. Reward yourself when you finish. 2. Declutter by category. Instead of tackling a whole room, focus on categories like clothes, books, or kitchen items. This makes the process less overwhelming and helps you stay organized. 3. Ask the right questions. As you declutter, ask yourself, do I need this? Do I use this? Does this bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Donate, recycle, or toss items that no longer serve you. 4. One in, one out. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of one, or more. For every new item you bring into your home. This helps maintain balance and prevents recluttering. It's a simple rule that can make a big difference. Minimalism beyond stuff. Minimalism isn't just about physical possessions. It's about optimizing all aspects of your life. Here are a few more areas where you can apply minimalist principles. Digital minimalism. Clean up your digital life by organizing files, unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, and limiting screen time. A clutter-free digital space can significantly reduce stress and increase productivity. 2. Schedule simplification. Take a look at your calendar. Are you overcommitting? Prioritize activities that align with your values and bring you joy. It's okay to say no to things that don't add value to your life. 3. Mindful consumption. Be intentional with your purchases. Before buying something, ask if it's necessary or just an impulse buy. This not only saves money but also reduces the clutter you bring into your home. Embracing minimalism mindfully. A big part of minimalism is mindfulness. It's about being present and intentional with your choices. Whether you're buying groceries, planning your week, or deciding how to spend your evening, do it with purpose. For example, meal prepping can be a great way to practice minimalism. Planning your meals ahead saves time, reduces waste, and ensures you're eating healthy, nourishing food. Plus, it eliminates the stress of deciding what to cook every day. Common misconceptions about minimalism. Let's debunk some myths about minimalism. Minimalism doesn't mean deprivation. It's not about owning as little as possible, it's about owning what adds value to your life. It's also not just for single people or young professionals. Families, retirees, and everyone in between can benefit from a minimalist lifestyle. Staying motivated on your minimalist journey. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. Here are a few tips to keep you going. 1. Set clear goals. Know why you're embracing minimalism. Whether it's to reduce stress, save money, or gain more time, having clear goals keeps you focused. 2. Celebrate small wins. Every little bit counts. Celebrate the progress you make, no matter how small. Decluttering one drawer is still progress. 3. Find a community. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups with like-minded people. Sharing your journey with others can be incredibly motivating. You'll find support, inspiration, and maybe even make some new friends. Your path to clarity. Embracing minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding clarity and purpose in your life. By letting go of the unnecessary, you make room for what truly matters: experiences, relationships, and passions. Remember, minimalism looks different for everyone. It's not about following a strict set of rules, it's about finding what works for you and enhances your life. Maybe for you, it's about optimizing your wardrobe. For someone else, it might be about cutting down on commitments. Whatever it looks like for you, embrace it and enjoy the benefits. Closing thoughts. So, there you have it, your path to clarity through minimalism. I hope this video has inspired you to start your own minimalist journey. Minimalism is not just about decluttering your space, it's about decluttering your life. It's about making room for what truly matters and finding joy in simplicity. Remember, the journey to minimalism is personal and unique to each individual. Take it one step at a time, and don't be too hard on yourself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and enjoy the newfound clarity and peace that minimalism brings. Thanks for watching, and here's to embracing minimalism and finding your path to clarity. Remember to subscribe and sign up for notifications as we continue to organize, optimize, and thrive together.